here in Roseville, looking for the green. 75 laps of racing, and here we go.
Elliott out to the early lead. White challenging on the low side of Jack. That'd be Kyle Jackson, the 41. Got a tiptoe here at the start. You got to keep these tires, get them up to temperature. Can't be jamming on the brakes too hard.
Jack sideways out of turn number 4 on the outside of White. Got to talk to that driver in the 19W, battling for second as he fights for that position. Been racing for most of his life, kind of all around the country. Very excited about his race here, and you can see why. Felt like he had a great car, and he throws it to the inside. Battle for the lead.
Oh, yeah. Bumper tags in that pack.
So that's going to move Elliott at least back to, it looks like, the 4th spot, but they are lined up to his inside and sending him backwards.
Here comes Shelby Strobel. Late entry into this race from Idaho. Now he's to the inside of Elliott. Moving his way up into 4th.
Talked with this team. They were envious that we flew out to this event this year. They're like, oh, we wish. The car doesn't fit in our luggage.
Yeah, and he had a bit of a drive, that's for sure.
And the best part was they referenced this drive as a short one. They're like, it was short. It was only 8.5 hours. Trouble out of turn number 4. Longman gets turned. All right, let's go, Green.
Lee Una, feel the power restart. And we're back to green. These tight tracks with these open wheel race cars, you gotta be careful in the corners. Brandon White's got his challenger to the outside is Jax, Kyle Jax. To the 41, he's gonna sneak back to the inside, settle in line. Third Kettle and Strobel now, duking it out for 3rd. Strobel's gonna get the upper hand out of 4. Mr. Double Duty, the 36 of McCullough, ran the first Spears Racing event of the night. That'll be the Pro Late Models.
Did it once out of turn number 4. Now Strobel's like, oh, you think you're going to get by that easy? Think again. Oh, Third Kettle slams him again. So I guess Third Kettle said, yeah, I do.
And with that, Travis McCullough now starting to reel these two in.
Yep. Third Kettle looking to the inside of Strobel. Don't forget, they've had some contact. Battle for 3rd. I was just going to say, what a flyer Brandon White's putting on. He's now lapped the 10 of Vossen, the 2 of Brucker. And caution flag flies, lap number 48. Nah, Jeff's had a struggle in this race, but Brandon White has been fast all race long. But Kyle Jax has shown speed on these restarts, and he's doing it again. There's a stack up on the backstretcher with Philpott. I don't know if there's contact. Looks like all the cars are fine. Don't see any major damage.
Battle for 3rd. Here comes Strobel. Working that inside on Third Kettle's 5.
These cars are fun to watch at this track. You see them swinging out the back end, and Third Kettle right now, even with that back end swinging out, he's looking to make this clearance on Strobel, but Strobel's not making it easy. And I see why Strobel won't make it easy, because, I mean, I'm pretty sure the whole rear bumper of the 24 has been shoved in a few inches.
Oh, Strobel sliding up the track a little bit. That'll help Third Kettle on exit and really clear him now for 3rd. Strobel 4th, McCullough 5th.
Oh, turn number 1. We're going to somehow get away with it.
There's your points leader in the middle of it.
Yeah, and it was almost big in front of him. The 29 and 27 at contact. Giannini, I think, got into the 27. They all somehow got away with it, but all three cars were sideways on entry of that corner.
Strobel now has his hands full with the 36 of McCullough.
Losing a little time to Thurkettle, falling into the clutches of McCullough.
Oh, bumper tag, here we go, battle for second.
For example, if these two touch one more time, we'll be saying they're having a proper ding-dong.
Fair to say. All right, can Thurkettle move into second spot in the closing stages of this race?
Jax has had some strong runs this year. Had a good run going at Havasu. Got tied up in what ended up being one of the more bizarre situations, but it is in the rule book where they do call if you put two other cars three wide and an accident happens from it, you actually are the one who ends up getting parked.
And I want to point out in this entire top five, the only driver that has started in all three races, the 41 of Kyle Jax. He didn't end all three, but he started them. And that, I feel like, is going to show later in the year when we tally the points.
Yep. But man, is Kyle Jax really feeling the presence of Travis Thurkettle behind him. Inside of 10 laps to go. And the white flag flies for Brandon White, looking to finish that way. Brandon White, I think, is feeling so confident.
He's cruising.
He's cruising right now, and he ought to, because he just dominated the Spears Manufacturing Modified Main Event at All American Speedway.
A dominating win. He leads 72 laps and wins the California Taken Pneumatics 75.
I can't thank the Price family enough. They did everything for me to get me into this position, and this car is just a bullet. Like I said, I can't thank them enough. And we got a new sponsor on board this weekend, Sequoia Drywall. I know Mike's up there somewhere in the stands. I don't know where, but oh, there he is. Yeah. But you know, this is probably one of the coolest wins, other than the last SRL win, which was 2012, I think is what it was. Holy crap. Well, I'm happy to be back, and I hope to stick around. So I can't thank all you guys for sticking around, and thanks for coming.